The program Sports Roundup was usually in the last part of the broadcast. However, on this day, it was in the middle of the broadcast, and the program Pro Memoria changed to the History Show.
Indeed, our broadcast saw some changes at the beginning of October, consisting in new broadcast dates and hours for a number of programs, as well as the introduction of new shows.
Also from Japan, Mr. Takeuchi Hironori tuned into our station on the 11th of October on 11940 kHz, and here are his comments. Your signal was strong with moderate noise and fading. Interference was severe local noise. There was no interference from any broadcast station. The overall merit of the reception was fair.
With a few days to go until Halloween, we've already started receiving Halloween greetings, especially from our listeners in the US, where this holiday is much more popular than everywhere else on the globe. Thank you all for the greetings and cards, and wish you a fun and merry Halloween.
Finally, for today, we would like to remind you that Radio Romania International will switch to daylight saving time on October the 26th, when most international broadcasters also change their frequencies. So here is the frequencies where you can tune into for our broadcasts as of this date. Listeners in Western Europe will find us on 7345 kHz and 9600 kHz in DRM system between 6:30 and 7 hours UTC. On 15460 kHz and 17530 kHz between 12 and 13 hours UTC. On 5940 kHz in the DRM system and 97...